we going, Sophia?
To the tunnels. Little baby in the tunnel. Look, Cat, it's a tunnel! It's a tunnel! It's a tunnel! Tunnel! Thank you. No tunnels for Cat. Oh my god, no tunnel. Where the fucking tunnel? What did I do with this people off that I want to put a tunnel? I hate tunnels, I hate tunnels.
Wait, bye.
I hate tunnels, I hate tunnels.
This is going on YouTube.
Fucking videotape me and pull out your eyeballs. I hate people in cars and tunnels. I hate people in cars and tunnels. I hate people in cars and tunnels. I hate people. I hate tunnels. I hate tunnels. I hate tunnels. I hate tunnels. I was only kidding about the pulling out your eyeballs, but please don't videotape me while I'm having my nervous breakdown. Oh, you want to slow it? Oh, okay. I'll go slow it. Please don't do that. The old dangerous and somebody will turn around and listen to me, yes. And then we'll be stuck in the tunnel. No. I really hate tunnels. I really hate tunnels. I really hate tunnels. Cat stuck in a tunnel. Oh, Cat, by the way, you're getting dropped off right here. See ya. It's not funny. It's really not funny. It's hilarious. I don't like tunnels. We're underwater. Do you understand being underwater? It's not good. Underneath the Charles. Yeah. Thing fucking spreads a leak. Look what we're all gonna do. We're all gonna wind up drowning like rats. Hey, Cat, look. Light at the end of the tunnel. Light at the end of the tunnel. Light at the end of the tunnel.
We're going towards the light.
Going towards the light. We're going towards the light. Woohoo! Oh,
that's a good thing if we're going towards the light.
Look at the tunnel. Oh, goddamn.
Look more like.
Look, Cat, light.
Walk towards the light.
Light? Oh, stop. Look. Light.
You're not funny.
Light. More tunnels. Scott, I got a question for you. North or south?
I think she's ignoring you.
Cat, north or south? South, isn't it? Don't fuck around with me. Well, if it's one or the other, more tunnels. I don't like tunnels. I really hate tunnels. I hate tunnels. Well, not over, I just don't. The tunnel's been
Look at more light.
Tunnel. Light at the end of the tunnel. Woo-hoo. So happy when I see the light at the end of the tunnel. More tunnels. Look, more tunnel. This is in the middle tunnel. It's like a bridge.
Already up to 5 minutes.
Wait, bye to Boston.
Bye, Boston.
alcohol billboards. Oh yeah.
Wait, hi to my parents. Because we're gonna watch this.
I'm driving and she wants me to wave to her.
Wave hi, Cat.
Hi. Bye.
Well, the tunnel's cat safe.
That feels much better not being in tunnels. It's more people-y. People person.
Yes, that's what you
Apparently
call
her
it.
fear of tunnels is really amusing to some people. Thank you.
Hey, my fear of snakes is really amusing to you.
I want to buy you a giant rubber snake.
See?
See? It's more amusing to you.